One thing that's helped me a lot in terms of like journaling or processing my trades is before the market opens, what I would do is I would take a screenshot of the market. I would upload it to like my notebook in TradeZella. Once I upload it to my notebook, I would then take notes. What are the economic events? What are events that have been happening in the markets that are causing the market to go up or down? What do I think is going to happen? Right now, when I say what do I think is going to happen, it doesn't mean necessarily, hey, I think the market's going to go up or down. It could mean that, hey, these are my key zones I'm watching. This is how I think the market will react to these zones. And then after I have wrote down my pre-market notes and I've taken trades for the day, I will go back and I will upload my trades and I will look. When I do, put in my trades, I'll start going through it. I'll say, okay, well, I took the first trade. What happened? Where did I get in? Where did I get out? Why did I enter here? Why did I exit here? What happened after I got out the trade? Right? There's sometimes I'll get out of a trade and the trade runs more. Well, why did I get out? There's sometimes my first trade of the day, and I realized that about myself. My first 1 to 2 trades of the day can dictate my next few trades. If I have a strong opening trade or a bad opening trade, like I should just call it a day. I've had days where like on the open I'll make 40 grand. And then the next trade, because of that confidence, I'll size up, I'll lose 20 or 25 or maybe lose more. And I've learned that through journaling, and I'm like, hey, I've noticed my size stays at this current level at trade 1, but trade 2, my size goes up double. Why is my size going up double when I just had a good opening trade? It shouldn't go up double. It should stay the same or go down, right? But it's like the confidence kicks in, and now I want to trade more. I want to put on more size because I'm like, oh, if I put on more size in the first trade, instead of 40 or 50, I could have made 80, right? So it's like I start seeing that. It's the same thing when I have a bad trade. On my first opening trade, if I have a bad trade, usually what I used to do is I would now size in and try to remake that money back. So instead of saying I took a bad trade, I lost 20,000, let me go and look for a new opportunity. Now it's like, no, I need to find a new opportunity to make that 20K back. Boom, I'm like in red zone right away. And most of the time, those days where I should be down 10,000 or 20,000, I end up being down 40 or plus more because of that first opening trade. And I learned that through intentional journaling.